Bitter and butter. Bitter. Bitter is an adjective that describes a sharp, unpleasant taste or feeling. It can refer to something that is harsh or acrid on the palate or something that causes emotional discomfort. Examples: the medicine had a bitter taste that made it hard to swallow. After losing the competition, she felt bitter towards her opponent. Butter. Butter is a noun that refers to a smooth, creamy spread made from milk or cream. It is commonly used in cooking and baking to add flavor and moisture to dishes. Examples: spread some butter on your toast for a delicious breakfast. The recipe calls for a stick of butter to be melted before adding the flour. Differences: bitter is used to describe taste or emotions, while butter is a food ingredient. Bitter typically has a negative connotation, while butter is associated with richness and flavor. Bitter is an adjective, whereas butter is a noun. Bitter can be used metaphorically to describe emotions, while butter is more straightforward in its culinary context. Similarities: both words are monosyllabic and have distinct pronunciations. Both words are commonly used in everyday language, albeit in different contexts. Both words can be used in figurative language to convey different meanings beyond their literal definitions. In summary, while bitter and butter may sound similar, their meanings and usage are quite distinct. Understanding these differences can help in clear communication and using the right word in the appropriate context.